So getting back to this dua, Habli mulkan la yanbaghi li ahadin min ba'di. Sulaiman alayhi salam says, grant me kingdom, ownership of that which you won't give someone after me. He says, Innaka antal wahhab. He uses the term wahhab, the name wahhab. You are indeed the giver. Wahhab is one who gives gifts. The one who gives gifts. Al-Wahhab. Wahhab. I know of another place where the term, or the name should I say, Wahhab is used in a supplication. It's used in a supplication. Guess which supplication? Anyone knows? In the Qur'an. Yes. Where else is it used? For what other thing? Here Sulaiman alayhi salam is asking for something that's, well, for you and I it's impossible. Obviously for Allah it's not. He's saying, give me that which you're not going to give someone after me. Something. Yes. Thank you so much. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين وجعلنا للمتقين إماما. The name Wahhab is, although it's not used there, but it's used for family and children. The name Wahhab is used for family and children. Let me read a verse for you, okay? So you know Zakaria alayhi salam didn't have children, right? What did he say? He says, رَبِّ هَبْ لِي مِن لَدُنْكَ ذُرِّيَّةً طَيِّبَةً. Again, he used the term hab. Hab means grant me a gift. Grant me a gift. Of what? Of family, progeny, children who will be a gift from you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says we gave him the gift. And so in the Qur'an it says Al-Wahhab. The name of Allah that is used, Wahhab. In this case as well. So Allah is giving the gift. Something that you lost hope about. But not from Allah. Which I didn't lose hope in Allah. But I lost hope in worldly things. People.